Good, so I'm going to be putting on a continuous glucose meter now. So we're going to open the box and find out what's inside.
This is the Freestyle Libre 3. Now obviously at Apex Medical we don't judge ourselves by brands, we don't associate with any brands. This is just one of many continuous glucose meters. There's lots of others out there, but they're very similar in terms of what they offer. So let's have a little look at what's inside. Inside, very, very simple, we have the applicator, which normally twist and remove, and that sharp needle in there is what goes into your arm. Okay, surprisingly painless. And then it comes with to tell you about how to apply your sensor, and that is it. That's always in the box. It's not particularly complex.
So the CGM is very easy to apply. I've already applied some alcohol gel to the back of my upper arm to make sure that's nice and clean. You twist, which shows a large needle in there, which looks a lot more scary than it is. Essentially go to the back of your arm here, and you push down 1, 2, 3, and don't feel a thing. Come away, and it's attached. Once you've done that, you go onto the app. You can find the Freestyle Libre 3 app. We'll say we've applied our sensor. We scan the new sensor. On top of the phone. It tells me the sensor's going to be ready in 60 minutes. So once we give it an hour, we'll come back and show you guys what my readings are. So I've now got my continuous glucose meter in place and the app is working. So we're looking at my glucose meter, which at the moment my glucose is 6, which is a very good level, sort of towards the lower end of normal. Obviously I've been fasting since this morning, haven't eaten anything, so I'd expect it to be around this range. I'm now going to eat a portion of chicken, so just a very protein heavy meal. But obviously it's a jerk chicken, so it's going to have some sugar in, so we're going to see what happens to my glucose once we've eaten this chicken, and we'll check in about an hour or two's time to see what's been happening to my sugar levels. Earlier today we put on the continuous glucose meter, and we had some jerk chicken for lunch. That was about 3 hours ago now, and it's time to see what my glucose reading has been doing for the last 3 hours. And as you can see from here, it's pretty static. It's been hovering around sort of 5.8 to 6 millimoles per litre, so it's a good indicator that the chicken I had isn't really causing a significant glucose spike, and is pretty good in terms of a longevity related diet.